All right, so this was just a couple of ways I could think to play this tune. So what I'm hearing on the recording is some higher notes up on the neck, and just really simple 2-note chords. So we're going to start with a C chord. So your middle finger is going to set down on the 10th fret of the D, index finger on the 9th fret of the G, and you're just focusing on those two strings, the D and the G, for all of this. Okay, so also one thing you have to do is some basic palm muting. So you set the side of your hand down on the bridge, and it gets you sort of a muted sound. And the rhythm we're using is a reggae strum pattern. So it's going to be on the offbeats, on the ands. So if you're counting the song, it would be like 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. Once again, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. All right, so that's the first chord. Second chord is reminiscent of a E minor. So your index finger is going to bar across the D and the G in the 9th fret. You're going to do the same strum pattern. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. All right. All right, next chord is reminiscent of a G. Index finger is going to set down 7th fret of the G, ring finger 9th fret of the D. All right, and finally we're going to jump up here. So that's very similar to the first chord, but you're a couple frets higher. So your index finger is 11th fret of the G, middle finger 12th fret of the D, and this is a D chord. Okay, so you put all that together, you got all right. Then the regular chords I was playing down here, I don't think those appear in the song, but I just wanted to put this in case anybody wanted to just strum regular chords to it. So what I was doing again for that was so the same exact concept, same strum pattern, everything, but you're just using regular chords. So start with a C, index finger 1st fret of the B, middle finger 2nd fret of the D, ring finger 3rd fret of the A. And I'm still palm muting to try to keep it a little more reggae style. So you're going to go 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. Then you're going to leave your middle finger there on that 2nd fret of the D, and then add your index finger 2nd fret of the A, and you got your E minor chord. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we're going to go to G, so you leave your index finger 2nd fret of A, bring your middle finger up here to 3rd fret of the low E, ring finger 3rd fret of B, pinky 3rd fret of high E. That gives you a G, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. Then we're going to go up to a D chord. So you leave your ring finger where it is on 3rd fret of the B, bring your index finger down to 2nd fret of G, middle finger 2nd fret of high E, 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and. So you put that all together. All right, so that's a couple easy ways to play this tune. Please hit the like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos for you all, and I'll see you on the next one.